Okay, so today I'm teaching local hazards with sailing. Does anyone actually have any ideas of what they might be? You don't have to raise your hand.
Rocks.
I get, yeah. Yes, rocks.
Why are you laughing?
Other boats?
Be serious.
Yeah, that would be one.
People.
What do you mean by that?
So, you know, when they're swimming, you don't want to hit them.
Yeah.
They have the right of way, and that would be very bad for you. And them, of course.
Did you say other boats?
Yes.
Okay. Bridges.
Bridges and also dams.
Shore.
Land.
Branches / trees.
The
You know, like
dock.
the stumps and stuff.
The
Be
dock.
careful of fish.
The dock.
Don't run into
Not really.
Dock.
You know, just,
You're above the water
just
and
walk.
fish stay below the
just
water.
walk this
dock.
monster come in.
Okay, the dock.
Yes, we.
Okay.
Well, kind of. Okay.
Bad weather?
Oh yeah.
Like storms or...
Lightning?
Tornadoes. No.
Yeah, I
What's
guess.
those things in the water?
Hurricane.
Whirlpools. But I guess we won't actually find that.
Water spouts?
I will include that with storms.
Pirates.
Pirates can be under the thing that doesn't exist.
Okay.
Pirates did exist.
Okay.
Any other suggestions? I heard trees.
Trees / branches. Oh.
Stumps.
That can be under trees.
Okay.
Also, sandbars
Yeah.
can be one during.
What about big waves? Not sailing. Fishing vessels, like with the nets. The nets and towing vessels with the towing rope.
Yeah, the net.
That can be under other boats. Temperatures.
What about paddle boaters?
Other boats.
Why don't you put other vessels?
But that's not a vessel, it doesn't have a motor.
That's
Vessels.
fine. That's fine.
What? Okay, other boats.
A
Cool.
vessel has a motor.
Any other suggestions?
Socks.
No.
No, there's no other suggestions.
No, I don't think so.
So,
I swear I had more before. Okay, does anyone have any ideas to how to avoid or locate those hazards? Let's start with rocks.
Underwater.
Visual?
Yeah.
Awareness. You want to be aware of your surroundings.
Don't sometimes they put those things on the water over
Buoys.
top of them?
Buoys.
With usually rocks, sandbars, or
Stumps sometimes.
yeah, stumps, trees. There are cautionary or hazard buoys that mark them, so basically warning you that they're there. And okay, anyone have any suggestions for other boats?
Use
Stay
your
away
eyes.
from them.
And listen in case they yell that they have the right of way.
So knowing your rights.
Yes.
The red and green lights on the front of boats indicating port and starboard at night time, they are easy to see.
And which side's green and which side's red?
Green is starboard and port is
Okay.
red. And
What does that mean? Which one's the front and back?
the front of the boat is the bow and the
Can I
back
answer?
is the go ahead.
So
It's the
what does it matter the color of the lights?
Because it indicates whether if you have right of way over that boat. If you see the green light on another boat, that means you have right of way. And if you see the red light of another boat, meaning their port side, that means they have the right of way over you. And
It's like stop and go.
how about swimming zones? You
I
don't have to
think
look
you're
at
allowed to go in swimming
Look
zones.
for marked areas.
Yeah, usually there's buoys
And someone yelling at you.
they're near shores.
If there's someone yelling at you,
Beaches.
it's a pretty good indication that you're either doing something wrong or they're grumpy.
Okay. Does anyone know why you would stay away from bridges or dams?
Because
it
you don't
might
want.
not.
Stop raising your hand.
It might take your top off.
It could
The mast.
decapitate
You might it might hit the mast and your boat could keep going with the momentum and capsize maybe or triple.
Usually that wouldn't happen. It would just like
Your boat just
break
stops.
the mast,
You could damage your boat.
damage
Yeah.
your boat. They could be low-lying bridges.
Damage the stuff on the bridge or the
What
bridge
if there was a
itself.
person on the bridge and you hit it and it died?
Well,
Wow.
then you. I'm not answering that question.
That is irrelevant.
Yes, that is irrelevant to the session.
That goes into legality.
Okay, docks. Jax, since you suggested this, you can tell me why docks are dangerous.
No. Nails.
Oh. So
Because you could
because you can
Nails.
damage your boat,
What?
hurt the people on it, or
Nails
damage other
sticking out
boats.
of
Nails.
Nails, I guess, yeah, that would work. Loose boards. If you're walking on the boat, not necessarily on the dock, not necessarily sailing, but
Well, you don't want to run into it.
there could be
Other boats?
other boats on the dock. There could be submerged docks that are like not being used anymore, or on high tide, or they're submerged. Can't see them. Trees, usually in man-made lakes or during high tide, or I'm not sure how to say it. The rainy season when the water level's high.
Green.
Yeah, it could wash trees and debris into the lake. What are some indications of a storm?
Dark
Clouds.
clouds.
Wind,
Wind picking up and then dropping off.
rain, lightning.
Okay, you would hear the thunder. Usually,
Oh yeah, thunder.
the wind would be off and on throughout the day, and right before the storm arrives, it would completely drop off. Like there would be no wind. The water would go glossy. It would look like glass, and then it would pick up drastically, and usually the storm would be on you by that point in time. And sandbars.
Look for
Could you
changes
see
in
them?
the color or
Yeah, they're
Release.
lighter. The water's lighter.
yeah, the water gets a bit more brown
Can
or
you
lighter.
see it when you're on a boat though?
Sometimes.
Slight. It depends how bad the water is.
Like, wouldn't
There
it
might
be
be
blocked
buoys.
off as part of the swimming zone?
Yeah, if it was like there was low water and shallow areas, there's cautionary and hazard buoys, and okay, temperatures.
Why does that matter?
Sunscreen for hot. You could wear like a hat to protect yourself from the sun, keeping hydrated maybe.
Okay, okay. Why would you want to stay? Why would you want to stay hydrated or wear a hat to stay out of the sun?
In case you get heat stroke, sunburn,
And then
or the skin cancer.
Sunstroke.
That
Okay. How about for cold temperatures?
wetsuit in case you get wet to trap the water and heat your body, so they don't have to keep heating the water around you.
Yeah.
Just heats that one.
Any other suggestions?
Um,
On how to keep warm?
you might
Yeah.
get hypothermia if you fall in the water.
And okay, yeah.
Drinking warm beverages.
On a boat. You're gonna take a thermos. I guess you could take a
I
thermos of
could.
hot chocolate out onto the boat. Okay.
Or
Okay.
before.
So I'm gonna name something related to the subject, and you say what it is, or I'll say a subject, and you guys say what is related to it. So if I say, stay clear and know your rights,
Boats.
other boats, or okay. So then if I say there are hazard or cautionary buoys, and the water could be low.
Swimming areas.
Sandbars?
Rocks. Stumps.
Okay,
Trees.
that's all. That's all of them.
That's
There were
all,
four
yeah.
related to that one. You wanna just for the occasion.
Weather.
Temperature.
Storm.
I guess both of those would work. And the wind picks up and drops off
Storm.
quite frequently.
Storm.
Storm's coming.
Okay.
Take shelter.
Okay.
Get out of the water.
These are found near shallow areas or along shores.
Rocks.
Branches, trees, or stumps.
Docks.
Yeah, yeah,
Sandbars.
yeah. Okay.
Rocks.
People.
So, okay.
True.
Okay.
Oh,
If I say dams and bridges.
Don't go under them.
To stay away.
Don't go near them.
Yeah.
Keep your distance. We're just saying the same thing over and over again.
Okay. Docks.
rocks.
Approach
Nails.
Yeah.
Boats.
the
Okay.
appropriate speed. Do not go in too fast.
People.
Okay.
I think I have this wrong.
Be ready to stop.
Yeah. Yes.
Slow speeds.
Okay. And
I got my finger.
if you capsize, what do you do?
You
Jackson.
I don't know.
try to get
Try not to
out
drown.
away from
Hypothermia.
the mast and make sure you don't get smacked by it. Go up, you grab the
Daggerboard.
dagger board and you try to pull it down and flip it back
Okay,
over.
that was like a trick question because I didn't explain it before. But you just
Oh.
I know sailing.
go through your. If you're sailing a boat, you should know how to get it right. Right it.